Hello and welcome to this presentation of EDI2Sage. My name is Ara Martirossian and I'm going to show you how to import Mothercare orders into Sage 50 with just one click. Now, EDI messages are transmitted using various different networks. The one that we're going to look at here is the one provided by TransAnalyst called OpenEDI. When an EDI order is sent, it normally has the customer's EDI product codes in it and not the Sage one. So the TransAnalyst system or the OpenEDI system normally uses a product catalog to do the lookup between the EDI message and what Sage understands. However, this isn't possible for all orders, in particular for Mothercare, who use their own proprietary system. So EDI2Sage is built around a very powerful import module called Excel2Sage. And Excel2Sage can pretty much import anything from any type into Sage. It covers all of the sales, purchases, stock transactions, bank, projects, and so on. So, how is this useful? Well, we're going to use this facility to import the Mothercare CSV orders, which is comma separated values orders, into Sage. For this, we need a product lookup file, and that is a very simple Excel spreadsheet which then basically looks up the Mothercare product code, finds what the Sage one is, and imports that in. So 3 very simple steps: set up the lookup table, download the new orders, and import that into Sage. So here is an example of us logging into the Mothercare portal, picking the orders that we want, and downloading those as CSV onto our local folder, which is basically where we're going to go to now. So if I now go and have a look at Sage, that's just Sage 50, and what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look at the files. So this is the lookup table, which shows the Sage product code and what's used by Mothercare. I can then just go and have a look at the Mothercare order, which is just a bog standard comma separated values CSV file, and you can see that that is using the Mothercare product code. So all we actually have to do is just click one button, which is a shortcut on the desktop, and what that does is it'll go through and it'll pick up the new orders and take the product codes that are there, look them up from the spreadsheet, find what the Sage product code is, and then start to import that into Sage. Now, as you can see over here in Sage, I haven't got any Mothercare products at the moment, and what the system will do is it'll just create sales orders for me as if it had been keyed in. Now, if new products are added, then the only thing that you need to actually change is the Mothercare lookup spreadsheet, and that will then allow you to import any new orders using the new product code. Also, there's a possibility that orders sent by Mothercare may not have the product codes that have all been set up in the lookup table. So what it will do is it will create a product code for the missing ones. And what it's doing there now is just importing those sales orders into Sage so that we can then go and have a look at them and process them as if they'd been manually keyed into Sage. And having done that, what it will do is it will then just give us a log file which will show us exactly what's happened, and it will show us any error messages if there were any, but in this particular case it's been pretty clean. It's imported 5 and it's got orders 240, 241, and we can go and have a quick look at those in a second. And having done that, it's also left us the spreadsheet of the lines that have been missing. So if I go into Sage, refresh that, there you go, these are the Mothercare orders. They've just come in. If I just open that up, I can then see that's the product lookup, so that's what was ordered in the Mothercare EDI system, and that's what was looked up into the Sage. It also brings in things like due dates and quantities and looks up the prices from the price list that I've set up for this particular customer. So very, very simple indeed. So many benefits for using EDI2Sage. It's incredibly quick and very cost effective. Very, very easy to use, just one click. And it's quick to set up, typically less than an hour. It can be very easily changed, so we can cater for other imports as well, not just Mothercare, but pretty much anything that you may want to import into Sage. And there are lots and lots of add-ons, so things like perhaps back-to-back orders, purchase orders for orders that are coming in, things like that. Above all, it makes processing of sales orders very, very quick and efficient, saving you both time and eradicating errors. Thank you very much for your time and interest in looking at the Mothercare orders imported into Sage using EDI2Sage. My name is Ara Martirossian. Please feel free to drop me an email to discuss your requirements and to arrange a free trial. Thank you.